Share the tootsies.
Okay.
Go get that tail, Mo. Get that tail. Get that tail. Isabella, get your tail. Get the tail. You okay? Go play with the doggy. Go do what the doggy's doing.
Go play with the doggy.
Go. Get his tail. Go get
What's
your
that
tail.
doggy doing?
Go ahead. Your turn.
Oh, doggy, get your tail.
You do it, Isabella. Just wants him to get his tail. There she-
Oh. Okay. Watch out. Go back over there.
You do it too.
There you go. Yeah, get your tail.
I can't get them both in the same shot. Oh! Oh! I think you're a little dizzy.
Whoa, you're being silly now.
Go get your tail. Go play with the doggy. Go do it. Go do what Mo. Yeah, go get Mo. Go do what Mo's doing. You gonna go get your tail like Mo?
See, this is the reason why you dock a Rottweiler's tail. So he doesn't do stupid shit like that.
No, that's why you don't dock his tail.
You guys are good boy.
Mama!
This is the awesome reason why.
Yeah.
Hi, go play with Mo.
You're a
I love
silly
you
dog.
too.
No biting. No biting. I told you about that biting stuff.
I know you like to watch it, but
No
go play.
biting.
Yeah, go get him. Go get him. Go get your tail.
No biting.
Where's she going with the tail?
Aww. Isabella, what are you doing?